Hey there, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. I'm excited to show you my newest listing here at 2149 Indian Mound Road here in Lawrence, South Carolina. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home has about 1,500 square feet, almost 3 acres of land with plenty of trees for shade and privacy. Inside you have gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the home, except in the bathrooms, which have tile floors. It's a split bedroom floor plan, so the master bedroom is on one side of the home and the other 2 bedrooms on the other side. The large master suite has a walk-in closet, jetted tub, and a separate shower. On the other side of the home, the 2 bedrooms have a Jack and Jill bathroom, and there's a half bath as well. And those bedrooms have large closets also. The upgraded kitchen has plenty of cabinet and counter space, 3 Lazy Susans, Corian countertop, and recessed lighting. Outside you have a above ground swimming pool with a lot of deck space. There's an outdoor storage building as well. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-525-0201, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye-bye.